Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be making my honey and turmeric soap. So I have all my supplies ready, my spatulas, I have my honey, as well as my blender, and I'm also adding goat milk to it. There's my turmeric and my oil waiting to be mixed, and so just enjoy the soaping experience. Oh, I love the turmeric swirls. It's so pretty in soap, and the honey, everything is perfect. And it has that subtle scent of honey because I didn't scent it. And I wanted it to be natural as possible, and really good for sensitive skin. So it's not scented, but you can smell a little bit of the honey, and it's so sweet. I love adding honey to soap for two reasons. One, it's going to create some really bubbly, nice lather. And two, it's going to help your skin retain moisture. It's really good at attracting moisture and keeping it in. I use the turmeric because it's known for benefits like fighting acne, dark spots, and signs of aging. So I figured it's always a nice addition. Thank you guys for watching. And for now, Black Hands are out. Bye-bye, guys.